One bright morning, Toby the Turtle woke up by a sparkling pond. He stretched his tiny legs and gave a big yawn. Then he saw a little red ladybug named Lily sitting sadly on a leaf. "What's wrong, Lily?" asked Toby kindly. "My home blew away in the wind," sighed Lily. "All my favorite leaves are gone." Toby smiled gently. "Don't worry, we'll find you a new home." So he carried Lily on his shell and walked through the sunny meadow. They passed friendly frogs, buzzing bees, and a butterfly who showed them the way to a tall sunflower patch. Lily's eyes lit up. "This is perfect," she cheered to thank Toby. She painted red dots on his shell with flower pollen. From that day